What happens if you violate a domestic violence order? Imagine being told to stay away from someone, only to ignore that warning and face the consequences. Violating a domestic violence order is a serious matter that can change your life quickly. These orders are legal rules made by a court to keep someone safe from harm, threats, or harassment. They often say you cannot contact the protected person, go near their home or workplace, or possess weapons. If you break these rules, the law steps in to enforce the order and punish the violation. When someone violates a domestic violence order, law enforcement can arrest them without a warrant if they believe the order was broken. This means you could be taken into custody right away. Once arrested, the case goes to court where you might face criminal charges. These charges can be either a misdemeanor or a felony, depending on what you did and where you are. For example, ignoring a court order to stay away from someone might be a misdemeanor, but if you threaten or hurt the person, it could be a felony. The penalties for breaking a domestic violence order can include fines, probation, or jail time. If you violate the order again, the consequences can be worse. Courts often give harsher punishments for repeat offenders. They may also impose stricter restrictions, like longer orders or mandatory counseling. Sometimes, the court may even take away your right to own a firearm or other weapons. Violating a protective order can also affect family law issues. For example, if you break the order and it involves children, the court might limit your visitation rights or change custody arrangements to protect the kids. Civil cases like divorce or child support can also be influenced if you ignore court orders. It's very important to understand what the order says and follow it exactly. Not doing so can lead to serious legal trouble and make family issues worse. If you are accused of violating a domestic violence order, talking to a lawyer is a smart move. They can help you understand your rights and guide you through the legal process. Remember, these orders are meant to keep everyone safe, and breaking them can have lasting effects on your life and your family.